is a tool for you. Mindfulness is the first resilience app to beat placebo in a one-to-one matchup. And with the ability to use the latest technology in order to help understand what your body is telling you, is truly the best tool to learn and improve your meditation skills. Don't know where to start? Simply tap on your intention and indicate how you're feeling, and let select the perfect guided sessions for you in the here and now. Want to dive deeper? Choose from a growing variety of step-by-step journeys that are delivered by experts in an easy and accessible way. Has so much to explore. It's a rich and diverse experience, and truly the cutting edge of science and technology. The you love.